It is the dream of many people, especially youth and young adults around the world, to travel to some other parts of the world. Some want to go to those countries for leisure, tourism. Others want there for further studies. Some want to find jobs and expand their careers, while others want to completely relocate to other countries and start their life and live in those countries permanently. I'm one among those people, born and raised in Tanzania, now a naturalized citizen of the United States of America. Welcome everyone. My name is Ernest Boniface Makulilo, the founder and the CEO of the EBM Scholars. Guess what? I'm the EBM. Recently, I decided to incorporate the EBM Scholars to become the EBM Scholars LLC, meaning it is a limited liability company. Yes, I've decided to incorporate in the great state of Missouri here in the United States to register the company to deal with immigration and education consultation. This is for payment, and I'm going to break down to you what's all about. There are so many people have these dreams. I want to go to one country, but they might not know all the programs available. Others might know the programs available, but are not good to prepare competitive applications and even know the process behind those procedures to get those opportunities. That's where I come in. The EBM Scholars is going to provide you with opportunity to increase your chances of reach your dreams. If you use EBM Scholars LLC, we'll be able to look into your education and work experiences and advise you the proper immigration pathways available for you. And most importantly, we'll be able to help you with the applications, how to prepare competitive applications for the agreed immigration pathways which you want to go to a particular country. We'll be able also to go to help you with applying for the visa, preparing for the visa interview, doing even the mock interview. And once you get the visa, we'll be able to help you and guide you into what we call the immigrant blueprint. Because the purpose is not just to go to that particular country, but how are you going there to overcome all challenges you are going to face there? How are you going to succeed in that particular country where you are? If your aim is to go there and get good studies and go back to your home country, but what type of volunteering you need to do? What type of internships do you need to do? Who do you need to affiliate with before going back to your home country? But if you want to stay in that particular country, how are you going to adjust your status? Maybe from tourist visa to international student visa, or from international student visa to work visa, or from international student visa to become permanent resident of that particular country. So all those processes will be able to be given to you by the EBM Scholars. The payment, the fees are different on case-by-case basis. Number one, we are not going to save everyone. If you don't meet qualifications for the pathway you are choosing, we are going to tell you that you are not going to be able to succeed. For instance, you are looking for admissions. Just admissions you are going to pay for school, will be able to advise you. If you want scholarships, we'll be able to guide you and tell you if you qualify to get scholarships or not. And if not, we are going to tell you we are not going to take your money just for the matter of taking your money. And the payment, someone might want, I want just to apply for jobs, and I want also to apply for green card lottery. I want also to apply for scholarships. So it might be a package of so many other related things. Another person say, I want just to apply for this particular program and for this particular country. Your fees will be different, and the fees will be paid into two different phases. There will be the first initial fee, which will be able to agree a certain amount, maybe 50% you'll be able to pay upfront, and then the amount left will be going to be paid in installation on a monthly basis until you finish upon agreement you are going to do. You are not going to be forced to pay anything. Once you want to have consultation with the EBM scholars, the first step, you fill the form, a questionnaire. The questionnaire comes to me. I'm going to set up a meeting, face-to-face, free consultation meeting. In that meeting, I'm going to explain all your situations and all the pathways available, and I'm going to give you what are your chances of you being able to succeed. Once I finish, I tell you how much it will cost you if you want me to do your work, and I give you the time to think. If you agree, we are going to write a contract. You will sign a contract and deliverables. What are the things I'm going to deliver to you? That is the process on how it is. As I said, myself, I came to the United States. For the past 14 years, I've been helping people on how to apply for scholarships, on how to apply for different immigration pathways, student visa, work visa, how you can move from one visa type to another visa type, how you can be able to succeed, how can you be able to apply for the federal jobs, how are you able to relocate from one particular country to another particular country. I have that particular extensive experience. But people want me to help them to go through and prepare those type of application. And that's where I said, let me prepare something more professional, something official. So that means you are paying to a company, and the company will be able to guide you and be able to help you. So, welcome to the EBM Scholars LLC. Remember, the website for the company is www.ebmscholars.com, and the email is ebm@ebmscholars.com, where you'll be able to write email and I'll be able to respond to you. Go to the website, check the website, share the website to another person who is looking for the consultation and the immigration and education opportunities around the world.